Hello everyone. Now you will see exercise number 48. We have to graph the inequality of modulus x plus modulus y is less than or equal to 1. So this means modulus x plus modulus y will be less than on or equal to 1, right? So we know from absolute value property number 5 that modulus x is equal to a if and only if x is equal to plus minus a. That means, so let's take this equation and let's graph this. So our this property means we can take two value for x, modulus x, we can take plus x and minus x, and for modulus y we can take plus y and minus y. So we have fourth coordinate here: first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, and fourth coordinate, right? So for the first coordinate, the value of x and y both will be plus. So we can take x plus y. We can take x plus y, right? Plus x plus y. So this creates x plus y is equal to 1. We get this equation from this line, okay? And from this line, we will get four equations. One is for the first coordinate, another one is for the second coordinate, and another one is for the third coordinate, and another one is for fourth coordinate. So for the first coordinate, we get plus x plus y is equal to 1. Now we keep y on the left side and everything else on the right side. And this makes a straight, this makes a equation of a straight line, okay? This makes a equation of a straight line. Here the C will be y intersection and M will be slope. So if you think, so our y intersection is 1. So for y, plus will be above and minus will be below. And for x, plus will be right on the right and minus will be on the left side. So now we put the y intersection here like plus 1, right? We get the value of c equal to plus 1. So this will be around here. Now we have to take some value of x. Let's say, for example, we take some value of x equal to 1. So we get 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So for the value of x equal to 1, we get the value of y is equal to 0. We have to put this coordinate pair in our graph. This will be on here, like if we put this on comma 0 coordinate Cartesian pair. So for on x will be on the right side, right? And y is 0. That means our pair, our point will be here. This is the value of x, and this is the value of y. So as for the value of x is if it is plus, it will be on the right side. So we just go on the right side, like right, and as the value of y is equal to 0, so our point will be here. So if we connect these two points, we can get this line. And further, if we take another value of x, like we can take another value, for example, x equal to 2. X equal to 2. For x equal to 2, we get 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So for x equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. Again, we have to put this coordinate pair in our graph. So x equal to 2 will be 1, 2 here, and y equal to minus 1 will be below, right here. So we get our point here, that will be 2 comma minus 1. So like this way we get this straight line, okay? And this applies for the second, third, and fourth coordinate, like the same. For example, on the second coordinate, we have the value of x is less than 0. That means this is minus x. And value of y is greater than 0. That means it is plus y. So we write minus x plus y is equal to 1. This also comes from this equation. So now keep y on the left side and everything else on the right side. We get y equal to 1 plus x. So our y intersection will be, or the value of c will be 1. So this is our on, right? And now let's take any value, okay? We can take 1, we can take -1, okay? So we will, let's take on first. So if the value of x equal to 1, the value of y will be on plus on is equal to 2. So we get, for x equal to 1, y equal to 2. So we get this this coordinate pair 1, 2, right? So this 1, 2 will be on here, on here, and 2 will be on 2 here, right? Somewhere around here. Now let's take the value of x equal to -1. So it will be on minus on, right, is equal to 0. So for the value of x equal to 1, we get the value of y is equal to 0. So if we put this in our graph, it will be, so let's take, sorry, for the value of x equal to -1, we get the value of y is equal to 0. So it will be here, around here. Like here is our -1 and 0 will be here, right? So let's connect these 3 points. So we get our second line. In the same way, we can get our third line and our fourth line, okay? So let me show you. For the third coordinate, the value of x will be less than 0 and value of y will be less than 0. That will be -x minus y. So -x minus y is equal to 1. So here here the y intersection is, or the value of c is -1. So this is our -1, right? So now let's take some value of x. For example, if we take the value of x is 1, that will be -1. This is going to be -2. So for the value of x equal to +1, we get the value of y is equal to -2. So let's put this coordinate pair in our graph. So 1 is here, for -2 will be on 2, around here, right? So we get our point on -2. So if we connect these 2 points, we can get a straight line, right? So this way, this straight line will go upward. If we take some value of x, like if we take the value of x equal to -1 or -2, let's take -2. So it will be -1 -2. So this minus and this minus will be plus, right? So -1 plus 2. So we get, okay, let me erase this. We get -1 plus 2. That is going to be +1. So for the value of x equal to -2, we get the value of y is equal to +1, right? So let's put this in our graph. So -2 on for x is -1 here, -2 here, and for y +1 will be upward, right? Somewhere around here. So we get our point, that will be -2, 1, right? So this way we are getting our line, right? Okay, let's move forward to the fourth coordinate. For the fourth coordinate, the value of x will be greater than 0 and value of y will be less than 0. So we write plus x and minus y. X minus y, so x minus y is equal to 1. Now our y intersection is -1 again, and if we take some value, like if we take the value of x equal to 1, we get 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So for the value of x equal to 1, we get the value of y is equal to 0, right? Now let's take the value of x equal to something like -1, right? So we get -1, that is going to be -2. So for the value of x equal to -1, we get the value of y is equal to -2, right? Okay, so let's put these two uh, coordinate pair in our graph. So 1 comma 0 will be here. Let me change the color. 1 comma 0 will be here, right? And minus on minus on minus 2 will be somewhere around here, minus on here, and minus 2 will be minus on minus 2 will be like here, right? Minus 1 minus 2 here. So again we get our this line. Okay, so our solution will be in between this 4 line. Okay, because we let's see our question. Because the value of modulus x plus modulus y is less than or equal to 1, so as it is less than, so our solution will be in between this area. Okay, I hope you guys understand, and if you have any problem, just comment below. I will try my best to solve this. Okay, thank you so much.